Oil prices surge again as tensions flare in the Middle East. CNN's Sibile Marcellus joins us now from the NASDAQ marketplace in New York City. And you have a new standoff involving Trump and the Iran supreme leaders seem to be leading to investors on edge.
Good morning, Chesley. They are, and the oil market is feeling that apprehension. Oil prices rose by about 3% on Thursday after Israel signaled it plans to intensify its military attacks against Iran. Israeli officials say a barrage of Iranian missiles caused extensive damage to a major hospital on Thursday. Then, earlier this morning, Brent crude, the global benchmark, slid back about 3%, with investors monitoring any word on heightened U.S. involvement. President Trump says he will decide on any possible military action within 2 weeks. U.S. crude gained 84 cents, trading around $74 a barrel. Chesley?
Sibile, I understand that Samsung has a fresh plan to outpace its Chinese competitor on the foldable phone race.
That's right. That plan goes into effect next month when Samsung is expected to unveil a thinner version of its flagship foldable Galaxy Z series smartphone. This as it challenges Chinese rivals to deliver the slimmest devices to the market. Folding phones, which have a single screen that can fold in half, were first launched by Samsung in 2019. In a blog post earlier this month, Samsung claims its new Galaxy Z series will be the thinnest, lightest, and most advanced foldable yet. But the Chinese aren't Samsung's only competitors. Apple says it plans to start production on a folding iPhone next year.
Wow.
Chesley?
Okay. All right. You got new numbers revealing just how many millionaires now call United States home. Can't wait to hear this.
Yes. So the headlines may be full of tough economic news lately, but the U.S. is still cranking out millionaires. That's according to Swiss bank UBS. According to their latest reporting, the U.S. is home to the most millionaires of any country. UBS estimates our country minted 379,000 new millionaires in 2024. That's a pace of just about 1,000 new millionaires a day. Mainland China came in second for 2024, creating 141,000 new millionaires. Taking a look globally, fortunes are concentrated toward the top. UBS estimates some 60 million individuals hold more than $226 trillion combined, nearly half of the world's wealth. Of that group, less than 1%, about 15 centibillionaires, boast a combined worth of $2.4 trillion. Chesley?
Yeah, I have a penny to add to that. That's about it. All right, lastly, Fox makes a splashy move to expand its sports footprint.
They sure are. Fox Corporation has acquired the Mexican sports broadcasting platform Caliente TV. Carlos Martinez, who has worked at Turner, Discovery, and Fox, has been chosen by Fox as its executive vice president and managing director for Latin America. Fox is bulking up its sports content as streaming becomes the top way for viewers to watch TV. Chesley?
All right, Sibile Marcellus, thanks for joining us for today. Really appreciate all that you've given us.